Good morning. We're currently in our tequila barrel. Listen to a rainstorm outside. It's coming down pretty hard. So the goal today is to we have a tequila tasting at 1:30. Thankfully, we're both feeling a lot better. And then I don't know what we're gonna do, but we better figure it out quick because today starts the test of booking a hotel or Airbnb on the fly. I don't know how I feel. Well, I do know how I feel about that. I don't like it, but we're gonna test it out. Yeah. All right. Bye. Alrighty, we are on the hunt to go find some breakfast. Wish us luck. I'm so hungry. Well, I guess Roy had breakfast yesterday. But after that, neither of us had anything to eat all day. So we just weren't feeling well. So we're hunting down breakfast and getting dripped on. We had to stop and ask for help, but I think we've got it. Ducks. Oh. He is dead. Just did it. Just booked our Airbnb for the next few days. It actually worked out really well. San Blas, here we go. Or here we come. Well, according to Lonely Planet travel guides, Tequila is a World Heritage UNESCO site since 2006. Which, I mean, I wouldn't say it's a cute little town. It seems interesting. We've already seen a tequila barrel shuttle, and now we see an agave, would you call that a trailer? No. Yeah. Pretty cool. Ooh, yeah, here we go. Look at that. Has done an excellent job negotiating the driving here in Mexico. I swear, I could not do it. So we have about 30 minutes before we have to head back to our tequila tasting. So we're going to go check out the cathedral. Right, give him a pat on the butt. I wonder if this is like the St. Charles Bridge, where you rub that, was it the foot? I can't remember what I rubbed, but I rubbed something on that bridge.
Apparently the other one is here.
I'm a little jumpy.
And they laugh.
Sneaky garbage men. It's so pretty. I'm okay. Yeah, full of water bottles. I love that everybody recycles down here. This is great. Alright, we are back at the Matisse's Hotel de Barricas, the tequila barrel place that we stayed last night. We're here to do our tequila tasting, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about. I'm still not really feeling so hot. So Roy might
And
just...
you're not a tequila drinker.
And I'm not a tequila drinker, so I don't know. This may be a double tasting for Roy. But we're here. Well, they signed us up for a 1:30 tasting today with the guy who speaks English. So we came and he's not here.
Won't be here till 3:30.
3:30 is the next English one. So we are hitting the road because we have a 2.5 hour drive to San Blas. That's kind of a bummer. Oh well. Oh well. Adios, tequila. We are on our way to San Blas. If that's how you pronounce that. San Blas? San Blas? We're gonna go back to the coast.
Nena loca, me tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien, pero en verdad yo no sé si tú lo sientes también. Entonces quiero saber por qué desde que te vi yo vivo diferente. No me importa a mí lo que dice la gente, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena. Ay, baby, yo te quiero. Es mentira todo lo que te dijeron. Sabes que mi amor por ti es verdadero. Yo te soy fiel, nena, yo te soy sincero. Juro que yo hago de todo pa' ti. Como rábame todo de ti. Y yo te doy todo de mí. Ay, mujer, eres todo pa' mí.
Hello from our place here in San Blas. If we can show you around, that would be fun. So, it's really hot outside. It's bring it hot. There's Roy in our cute little living room setup. Fly! Roy is on a mission to cool the place down. This place was about, what, $100 a night? And overall, it looks pretty, okay. It's not the cleanest place we've ever stayed, but it's also not the scariest. There are 2 bathrooms. First one is pretty basic, just a shower and a toilet. Here's our first room, 2 beds. It's a very long condo. It's a little bit weird, but I mean, makes sense. Work with what you got. And here's the master bedroom. Roy's already moved in and made himself comfortable. And then we come into the master bathroom, which I think is probably the best looking part of the house. Has an awesome party shower. Yeah. Doesn't look like they're all the way done working on this, but that's okay. I think it will do the job for the next few days before we head home. Now, what do you want to do?
Tacos.
Tacos? Tacos it is. Our goal for the afternoon here in San Blas is to just kind of check out the town, find some food, and currently we are in the town square, and there are a couple churches over here. I might try to see if we can break in. What's ringing? Oh, right there, the phone. Weird. Oh I am gonna try and go in.
That phone's ringing again.
I want to answer it. Hi, Hanson. I like that one. Very calming. This is my favorite part about coming to a tropical country. The freaking blackbirds are fantastic. And everywhere. Would not normally do this, but we contacted the AirBNB support.